Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x channel. Today we are going to see with the help of ChatGPT how we can convert a number into its words. Okay, for example, if the user has entered a number, for example, 1 you can see, right? It should be converted as ONE. Okay, and also you can see in this image like 848 is the number. It's English representation, or if it is represented in words, it should be 848. So 510, it should be 510. Okay, so we are going to do this operation in Python with the help of ChatGPT.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
Okay, so you may ask what is the need of this? Okay, so especially in financial applications, right? This conversion is essential for writing out check amounts or other monetary figures in words to avoid ambiguity. Okay, mistakenly human errors can be eliminated, okay, by this type of operations. Mistakenly we can do some of the other letters that can create an issue. So in order to avoid such type of issues, we are using this with the help of Python program, okay, so that it will give the definite result, and ChatGPT is going to help us. Okay, so let's go into this part. Okay, so I'll be using ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm writing here. This is the ChatGPT. Python code to accept a number from user. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm telling the user should give a number. Okay, rather than Python giving its own number, I am asking the user should give a number. Code to accept a number from user and convert the number to convert the number to words. Okay, it has to be performed in a loop. So what I'm telling means it has to be asked. It should the program should keep asking the user. Okay, do you need to continue? That means until I give the word exit, it should keep asking me, and it should give me the word representation of that number. Okay, until the user enters exit. Okay, so I'm asking Python code to accept a number from user and convert the number into words. It has to be performed in a loop until the user enter exit. Okay, so I'm executing. Let's see how the code it has been generated. Sure, I can help. So okay, so it has given these words. Sure, I can help that. Here's a simple Python code to convert number into words and continue asking the user for input until the user enters exit. Okay, see, this is quickly it is giving us the code. But imagine if you want to code this part in Python or Java from your own, it will take a lot of time. See, though you have learned the programming language, though you know the concept, because of the concept only you have been accepted by the company, but you may not be that fast, right? Because if MNCs or any companies, they're not going to think that, okay, it will take for you more time to code. Of course, they will think, but at the same time, any company or any organization, they needs result, okay, and they needs to be done on a quick span of time so that their revenue can be increased. So for that type of operations, definitely with the help of ChatGPT, we can generate this type of codes fast. Okay, even I don't know about if you ask me this code, it will take for me long time. Okay guys, so one more important update is, see, as you all aware, okay, that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave. Okay, so AI won't replace you, but the person using the AI will replace the job. So if you want to save your job, and if you want to become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Okay, so make sure that your future is secure with us, and join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, guys. So this is our website. Okay. So if you go to be10x.in, you will land up in this page. Go to this our workshop. Okay. So in our workshop, these are the workshops that we are going through, and you can click over here. So it will take you to learn to use AI tools and ChatGPT, what we are looking for. The next workshop is on November 4. Okay. And you will be get certified. And so what is the bonus? And you can see a lot of testimonials and reviews, and why this course is required. So all these informations you can get from this page. Okay, guys. So don't miss it. Now let's go back to our code. Okay. So we got this code, and it is giving us, before running the code, make sure you have the number towards library installed. If not, you can install using pip. So this is the command to install. Okay. So I am copying this code. I am going to, this is my Google Colab. Okay. So this is the location. Okay. That's what I've given. Don't worry about this thing. Okay. So this is the place where my code is present. Okay. So you also can keep somewhere else. That's what I have given this information over here. Okay. So don't copy this and execute. It differs from program to program, and from system to system, and from location to location. Okay. So I'm installing. Okay. So I should keep an exclamation mark. Okay. So I'm installing. Yeah. So it is installing. Successfully built dockup. This is the thing for number towards. Okay. So successfully installed. This has been. Okay. So now let's go back to our ChatGPT where our earlier code is there. Okay. I am copying this code. Okay. And you can drag and you can paste also, copy and paste also. So this is the place from num towards, import num towards. Okay. So this is the code. You will be aware. Okay. Since you are basically you are a Python programmer, you should be knowing this. Still, if you can't understand, copy this code, paste it in ChatGPT and explain. Okay. And ask what is this code defines. If you ask, it will give the details. Okay. So these are the things. Okay. So I'm executing. Please enter a number. Okay. I am executing like 878. Okay. Let's see. 878. We got the answer, right? Since I asked in the prompt that it has to continue as a loop, right? If you look into the thing, I might have asked Python code to perform in a loop until the user enters exit. Okay. So based on that, he has given the code. Now I am making 576. So 576. Okay. See, when you're writing a check, or suppose if in a bank or some financial organization, when they are executing, they cannot keep writing it. They cannot keep checking it. There may be chances that it can be prone to human errors. So this is a must if you are dealing with insurance sectors, or if you're dealing with BFSI, definitely you may need this type of programs. So when ChatGPT is giving to you, definitely it will be useful. Okay. So again, I'm giving 444. Okay. 444. Okay. If I'm giving alphabetical, it should throw error. Okay. This is not a valid number. So please try again. So that's the thing I want. Okay. So again, I'm giving 978. So 978. Okay. Now what we are given, if the user input is equal to exit or quit. Okay. We'll put exit so that it is exited. Okay. So again, if I want to run, I can do an operation, enter over. So 978. Yeah, 978. Okay. So that is the advantage of this ChatGPT tools, guys. Okay. So AI tools are helping everyone in every aspects of life. Okay. So that is the beauty of this AI tools. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this session and you liked this session. So don't miss to join the workshop. Okay. See you again. Take care. Bye-bye.